The application of magnets. You may think of magnets as solely used on your fridge, but they have many more uses and can be found in objects all around us. One of the oldest uses of magnets is the compass. It has a magnetised needle which lines itself up to the Earth's north and south magnetic poles. Compasses helped people travel the world, and although GPS is now used instead, some planes, boats and people still use compasses. When a coil of wire is connected to a power supply, a magnetic field is created so the coil acts like a magnet. This is known as an electromagnet and can be found in many everyday devices. If something spins or moves by electricity, it probably uses an electric motor. Motors turn electrical energy into a spinning movement. DC motors have a coil of wire between a magnet's north and south pole. This means that when current flows, a force is produced on the coil, making it rotate. This is known as the motor effect. The coil should keep rotating in the same direction. The direction of the force has to change after 180 degrees. This is done by changing the direction of the current's flow when it reaches the point. Speakers also use the motor effect and have an electromagnet in between a permanent magnet. Audio is converted into an alternating current that flows through the wire of the electromagnet, which makes the electromagnet move. The movement pushes air particles with a cone that's attached to the electromagnet. The movement of the air particles is known as sound waves, which is what lets us hear the audio. Magnetic resonance imaging, or MRI machines in hospitals use electromagnets to produce scans of our organs and bones. The electromagnets in the MRI machine make small particles in the body called protons lined up with its magnetic field. These protons are hit with radio waves and are knocked out of place. When the radio waves are turned off, the protons move back and release radio signals that are received by a computer and turned into images. These are just few examples of how magnets can be used in everyday items and how important they are. Research groups all around the world, such as MAGMA at Cardiff University, continue to test and improve them so they can be used in a wide range of applications. Thank you for watching.